Hello, let's talk about features found in SalesIQ. So with SalesIQ, you understand how visitors interact with your website in real time. So you can know what's working, prioritize your best lead, and reach out to them with relevant personalized message. So they also have what we call website visitors insights. So with that, you will get a real-time view of your website visitors sorted in different priority sections based on your own criteria. This visitors tracking gives you details like your visitors' name, their location, actions, time they spend on your site, the page they visited, and more to help you deliver a customized customer experience. Also, they have what we call the lead scoring, right? You can easily identify the most valuable leads with automatic lead scoring, and this is how it will work. You will define rules to score them based on their traffic source, time spent on your site, last active time, number of page visits, current page, location, and more. Another feature found in SalesIQ is smart chatbot. With it, you can reach every visitor with a chatbot. So you can easily create chatbot to automate routine interactions. Lend your team a helping hand using SalesIQ custom chatbot builder called Zobots. Okay. Also, there's another feature called codeless bot, right? You don't need to be a coding wizard to build a bot. The codeless bot builder has an intuitive UI. So all you have to do is create a flow and type in your bot's responses and action, and then you're all set. Also, there's AnswerBot. So allow me to introduce you to AnswerBot. It's an LP-driven chatbot that understands common queries using our own AI technologies there, and answer is using the resource library. You can also add a library of small talk responses to make the bot more personable and include terms specific to your business to help the bot understand any jargon customers uses. Okay, there's also programmable custom bot for coders who like to get deep into their chatbot brain. Zobot has a programming interface that gives you full control over the chatbot's behavior. You can also power your chatbot with AI technologies like IBM Watson, Digital Flow, and Zia Skills, or you connect them to your internal bot service and database using Zoho Sales Webhook. And so there's hybrid bots. It also combines the unique advantage of AI and guided chatbot with autopilot. It creates a hybrid chatbot by simply plugging your answer bot into your codeless or program bot built using Zobots. So let's look at communication modes features found in SalesIQ. With it, you can choose the best mode for customers' communication. It helps improve customer engagement by assisting them using the best mode of communication for the situation within your website or web app live chat window. So there is the voice notes, right? It allows visitors to share complex questions and respond to them with detailed solution without typing out long paragraphs with SalesIQ in-chat voice notes capability. And also there is the audio call. With audio call, you can launch voice call or allow customers to call you in a click right from within the chat window to discuss complex queries. No hardware, software, download, or extension needed. And also there's the screen share. You can also share your screen to walk customers through complicated explanation, or even ask them to share their screen to get a better understanding of the issues they are facing. Also, there's the remote access, okay? The sales remote access feature powered by Zoho Assist lets you request access to take charge of your customer's system to solve their issues remotely. Here is the resource features of SalesIQ. It offers solution in a resource library. So you can compile answers to common customers' questions for them to access from their chat window or receive from your answer bot. This frees you to focus on more complex queries. Agent can also share these resources in a chat to support their responses. And there is the article. Make product detail, company policies, or help documentation available within the chat window as articles so customers can look up solutions before reaching out. Your answer bot or live chat agent can also suggest this to customers. And there is the frequent asked question. You can also add answers to common questions that your answer bot or agent can use directly as response to queries. You can also link frequent asked questions to related article to be displayed alongside with the responses. And there is the answer bot resources. You can also help your answer bot connect better with prospects and customers with small talks. Set of engaging response. You can also equip it to understand and respond to a wide range of business and industrial related jargons used by the prospect by adding business terms. Queries that aren't answered by your bot are stored, and the number of occurrences donate for you to reference as you update your resource library. With widget features, you can rely on data and action widget for assistance. Okay, so you can create a widget to show you all the details you need while helping customers. Pull from your CRM, ticketing software, or other third-party tools and place it right beside the chat. You can also push details to a database to block out your calendar or even extend a customer's trial period. Manage contacts, whether you are a B2C or B2B company. So Zoho Sales help both B2C and B2B company organize their contacts more efficiently, giving you the information you need and when you need it. Okay, so for business to customers, Zoho SalesIQ categorizes your website visitors as leads and contacts based on the availability of their email address. Their recent activity and past chat are also displayed alongside this. So for business to business, that is B2B, the B2B models involve interaction with multiple contacts. Zoho AI-powered profile enrichment identifies your visitor's company from their work email address to categorize all the contacts from the same organization together, alongside with publicly available information, activity, and chat. Third-party software like Clearbits and Leadberry also work with SalesIQ. Fuel your engagement with Zoho CRM. Connect your SalesIQ with Zoho CRM for better context about a customer's journey. View prospect data during a chat, target lead based on your CRM data, and even push data from your chat to CRM. You can also get notified in your CRM when a prospect visits your website or perform an action. Streamline visitors' engagement and support with automation. Configure automated chat triggers and rule-based chat routing to save time spent in redundant tasks. Okay, so inactive chat trigger. Set up personalized chat triggers so you can reach out to visitors at the right touch point to offer help or send exciting deals for faster conversion. These triggers can be based on the landing page, number of page visits, CRM data, and more. The chat routing. Customers expect immediate help without being endlessly traded around from agent to agent. So you can direct chat to the right department or staff based on the customer's traffic source, landing page, number of visits or chat, lead stage, and more. Give customer easy access to old chat. Zoho Sales lets your customer access that chat as separate conversation right within the chat window, helping them quickly reference previous interaction. Customers can also reopen a closed chat to continue a conversation. Connect Zoho Text to streamline customer support. So by integrating Zoho Sales with IQ with Zoho Text makes a customer existing support interaction readily available to you, so you can assist them in real time with full context. You can also convert chat into tickets from a single place. Block spammers and cyber bullies. Make a list of terms you deem inappropriate and configure bots to close session when they encounter these terms. They can do this without an agent handoff while also blocking the offender's IP address. If a visitor uses abusive language while chatting with an agent, the IP address of the visitor can also be blocked manually. Leverage your team strengths with collaboration. Bring out the best in each other by combining the expertise of each team member. Chat transfer and group chats. Even with efficient routing, sometimes agents get queries outside their thoughts, right? So Zoho SalesIQ lets you transfer a chat or simply invite someone with the right answer to join. You can even add a note for the next person as you transfer the chats. Agent-to-agent chat. To work together well, your team should be able to easily communicate with each other. SalesIQ internal operation chats let agents have one-on-one interaction or talk to each other in a group setting. Message board. Gone are the days when you had to call a meeting for every announcement. Tell team member about new offers or updates on the internal messaging board to keep everyone on the same page. Stay connected anytime, anywhere. Get live notification and chat with prospects from anywhere and at any time using Zoho Live Chats app available for Android and iOS devices. Measure and coach. Get daily and monthly reports delivered right to your inbox so you can guide your teams to success. Performance metrics. Keep track of each agent's progress and monitor their average response time, number of concurrent chats, and online versus idle hours to make appropriate adjustments. Chat monitoring. Set monitor to view each agent's chat in real time and guide them through it. You can even join an ongoing chat if the need arises. Dive deep into stats with Zoho Analytics. Unearth meaningful engagement insights from your website traffic, visitors activities, conversion funnel, chat influx, or even your team performance. You can even merge data from Zoho CRM, Zoho Dex, Salesforce, CRM, and more to get a 360-degree view of your business. Deliver a great mobile experience with mobile listing. Extend all the capabilities of Zoho SalesIQ to your mobile app and give users a way to connect with you from any section of it. Zoho Sales Mobile SDK makes it incredibly easy to implement in-app messaging inside your Android and iOS app or apps built using React Native.